The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Maverick County until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have determined that rainfall estimates from Doppler radar indicate slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall over the Elm Creek to Eagle Pass to Rosita South area. Eagle Pass has recorded 9.34 inches of rain in the past 5 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches can be expected in the Seacole Mines to Eagle Pass to Rosita South areas. Numerous streams and creeks are rising higher into flood. This additional rain will aggravate the flooding. This is a life-threatening situation. Evacuations are underway for those living along or close to main creeks. Local officials will be in those areas to provide assistance. A flash flood emergency continues for Elm Creek to Seacole Mines to Eagle Pass to Rosita South. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Eagle Pass, El Indio, Normandy, Paloma, Rosita North and Rosita South. This includes the following streams and drainages: Picosa Creek, Grand Rio, Elm Creek, Hediondo Creek, Twaco Creek, Jimenias Creek, Salado Creek, Mustang Creek, Cuevas Creek, San Ambrosia Creek and Quemado Creek. When water covers the road, turn around, don't drown. The life you save may be your own.